Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot. But before we talk about the income pick, I want to let you know that anything you hear in this video is for information and educational purposes only. Nothing in this video should be taken as personalized investment advice. Investing comes with risk. No matter how safe an investment sounds, there are risks involved. To read more about it, please see the description below. And if you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head directly to incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free reports that we offer to our readers, and they get delivered to your inbox directly. Marine shipping can be a volatile industry, with freight rates being impacted by economic conditions, geopolitical uncertainty, falling demand, and even vessels entering the global fleet. Some marine shipping companies are focused exclusively on commodities, while others specialize in commercial assets. Then there's today's income pick, SFL Corporation Ltd., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol SFL, one with highly predictable cash flow, 3.6 billion fixed revenue backlog, rising share price, and safe ultra-high yield dividend. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Where many, as you're saying, marine shipping companies specialize in specific industries like oil and gas, SFL Corporation's fleet diversity gives it legs through multiple market cycles. SFL Corporation is an international marine infrastructure company that owns and controls a big $4.1 billion portfolio of 73 vessels and rigs. It currently owns a fleet of 13 tankers, 15 dry bulk ships, 36 liners, 2 offshore vessels, and 7 car carriers. The weighted contract duration on its shipping portfolio is close to 7 years, and approximately 91% of its gross revenue comes from long charters. This provides it with stability in both revenue and operating costs. It also helps juice its reliable high-yield dividend. And again, its customers are the who's who of the industry, including Volkswagen, Maersk, Koch, Phillips 66, and ConocoPhillips.
So, John, this company recently announced its 78th consecutive dividend?
Yeah, thanks to the company's billion-dollar backlog and highly predictable cash flow with long-term contracts, it has a unique track record in the marine industry of paying a reliable, consistently high-yield dividend. In fact, it's paid a dividend every quarter since 2004. Since then, it has returned $2.6 billion to shareholders in accumulated dividends. The company's dividend payout can fluctuate depending on market conditions. The company reduced its payout to save cash during the worst economic crisis in 100 years, that's during the pandemic, from 35 cents to 15 cents. Though, thanks to its diversified fleet, it has continued to pay a frothy high-yield dividend. That said, it's been raising its quarterly dividend since the pandemic. Most recently, in August, it declared a quarterly dividend of 24 cents per share, or 96 cents on an annual basis. Now, that works out to a yield of 8.2%. Now, it still needs to grow another 45% to get back to its pre-pandemic level of 35 cents per share per quarter. Now, if financials are any indicator of the strength of its dividend, it should get there eventually. In the second quarter, it reported net profit of around 17 million or 13 cents per share. And the company has added more than 300 million of backlog so far in 2023, increasing the total backlog to 3.6 billion. It ended the quarter with 201 million in cash and equivalents. It also repurchased approximately 1.1 million shares at an aggregate price of $9.27.
Just looking at the chart, I see SFL stock is trading at record levels.
Yeah, SFL Corporation stock has been on a tear since cratering during the pandemic, up more than 120% since the start of 2021 alone. SFL stock actually hit a new all-time high of $11.28 per share on September 27th. As of this recording, SFL stock is up 25% over the last 3 months and 30% year-to-date and year-over-year. Strong financial results and an equally impressive outlook suggests SFL stock could record numerous new record highs over the coming quarters.
John, thank you so much for analysis. Just to recap, SFL Corporation, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol SFL, is a diversified marine shipping company with a highly predictable cash flow from long-term contracts. It also has a big 3.6 billion fixed revenue backlog. Tested through multiple market cycles, this has enabled SFL to pay a dividend every quarter since going public in 2004, and it increased its long-term distributable cash flow per share. That's it for today. We'll be back with another video soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.